I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. Yeah, been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up. Been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up.
Welcome to the channel, everybody. Now I am back. I said I'd be back, and you really wanted to know why I actually stopped YouTube. And I stopped YouTube for the period of June. There's a reason for that, and I will come on to that a little bit more into this video. I don't want to make this a 15-minute video. I'll try and keep it under 10 minutes. But before we get on to the reasons why I stopped doing YouTube for June, I'll just want to give how has me not doing videos twice a week affected my channel stats. Now I can give you the stats. I'm going to say to you now, over the 28-day period that YouTube runs and gives you the analytics, and you are watching this on the 1st of July of 2025, we have had June off. Now I have noticed that my views have been down about 70 to 75,000 over that 28-day period. My watch time, and it's all to do with people watching that's generating me any income through YouTube, my watch time has actually halved. So if I actually think how I was performing in May, my watch time has actually halved. My views have gone down by 70 to 75,000, which is quite a lot. And also my subscribers, whereas I would probably see 15 to 20, sometimes 30 subscribers a day, I've actually dropped down to only seeing a handful, 2, 3. If I saw 5 over the June period per day, I was doing very well. Now, interestingly, over June, I have ran ads on Instagram and Facebook trying to link people to get in on to my YouTube channel. Now, I haven't really seen an influx of people clicking that button to look at the channel and also subscribe. They may come back to the channel at a later date, but I've not seen an influx of subscribers. So that's interesting. For the money that I've been paying out for the adverts on Instagram and Facebook, I've not really noticed much difference. Now you're going to say, what about your money, Phil? How's the money been over that 28-day period? From May to the June, I am seeing roughly about a £250 drop on my revenue over that month's period. Now, depending on your months over the year, you get better revenue than others. Also, the weather can actually make a difference whether people are actually watching YouTube or not. But that said, I have still tried to trickle a few little shorts that were already pre-done, that were scheduled, but I did keep off doing any long format videos over the June period. Now you're going to say to me, and this is where we'll blend out, cut back in, why did I stop doing any YouTube videos over June? I don't want to even say it flippantly, it's quite simple. I had a death in the family. My mother died at the end of May, quite unexpectedly. Been a big shock to the family. My father, who's been married to my mother for 58 years and known her from the age of 16, has obviously been knocked for 6, as myself, my sister and the immediate family around me. It wasn't an expected death. My mother wasn't ill. It was more of a case she went into hospital not feeling too well. We found out that she needed an emergency operation, and we've just snowballed from that. Saying that, the operation went well and she was recovering and she did seem a lot better, but unfortunately a bit of everything, a culmination of what was wrong with her, just ended her life at the end of that week, which really was at the end of May. So I made the decision that June, any videos that had already got planned and scheduled and made, they all got stopped and pulled off the channel. And I've actually held back from putting any mainstream long format videos out on YouTube during June. They are now scheduled for July. This is July 2025. You're seeing this as the welcome back to the channel video, albeit it's very sad for me to talk about it. My mother was a very big supporter of me for YouTube, and I feel choked now that while she was in hospital in May, for those few days, we did see the channel past 19,000 subscribers. So she did know how well the channel was going, and I will say she was proud of me. But going forward, I have been making videos sorry if I seem a bit upset. Yes, I'm a bit of an emotional person, and it has, as I say, it has knocked us for six. And I'll say life will never be the same again, but this is the reality of life, isn't it? But we've got to move on. I've got children that need looking after. I've got a dad that needs looking after, and a wife, and I've still got my sister and my nieces and nephews and my brother-in-laws, of course, as well, and my sister-in-law, that we are all a part of one big family. But moving forward, I will say videos that I've actually been producing over June, it's given me a little bit of a breather. It's given me a little bit of time to reflect on things and see how I am producing videos. You've seen recently I have been practicing with some new video editing software. Again, something my mother knew about, which she was pleased that I was trying to get to grips with new software. I've said before, my learning curve with social media, video editing, and actually being in front of the camera is quite a steep one. If you cut me in half, I am painting and decorating all the way through. I haven't done another job prior to this. From the age of 16, I went straight into painting and decorating in a family business. I am very lucky that I'm in a family business, and I'm not going to shy away from that. I have had a very nice upbringing. I've had private school education, all been paid for through painting and decorating, if that sounds the right way to put it, but you know where I'm coming from. We've had a very nice lifestyle out of being in a trade. Now, you've probably heard the videos before where I've spoke about I do have my advanced craft City & Guilds. You don't get that from a 6 months course. Back in the day, it was a level 1, a level 2. On your third year, once you'd passed your third year, that was your craft certificate for your City & Guilds, and you didn't get your advanced craft until you actually did your fourth year. I was the last year of the students that went through doing a proper, I'll say proper, you know what I mean, City & Guilds qualification before it went on to MVQ. But I have actually done qualification City & Guilds 7307, which is your teacher training stage 1 and 2, that allowed me to actually do some teaching at Basel College part-time for about 3 years during the mid-90s. So hence why we have got this channel. I know that there's people that are using this channel for the font of all knowledge that is painting and decorating, and that is great. And if you are getting something out of this channel, I'm not going to shy away from the fact that please buy me a coffee. The links are all below. If you want to do me a super thanks to help support the channel, if my knowledge has helped you in any way and you want to repay me, please buy me a coffee or super thanks. It is much appreciated. I've said times and many before, I am not a sponsored YouTuber. I am not an ambassador to anybody. I am not getting funding from people who are wanting me to promote tools, paints, or anything in between. So everything that I do on this channel is through me. A lot of the paints that I buy is out of my own pocket, or with the help of people that are doing me super thanks or buy me a coffee. That just gives me that little bit of money to help go and buy things like new backdrops, new doors. Doris the door will be retired in the not too distant future. And anything that I do purchase, I try and do it that I can help people on the channel to show them something a little bit different. But I'm going to say it again, if Porsche are listening and they want to sponsor me with a Porsche for a month, 6 months or a year, I am more than willing to take that in hand and try Porsche out. But we're not all about that. We are a channel. I am a channel that is very honest, and if I don't like something, I will tell you, and if I do think something's good, I will tell you. If I see a little flaw in a product, I will tell the manufacturers that are making that via my channel here and say, I've got a little bit of a question mark over that. But that said, I'm not giving you information and feeding you information because somebody has paid me to say it. So rest assured that this channel currently is not sponsored. I am not endorsed by anybody, and I'm not an ambassador to anybody. So if you do see me with some products, it might only be a case that they've sent me something to try out, like over the years. And my father's business has now been in business for 60 years, started in 1965. He's still working at the age of 81 with me, and probably more so now. My mother's died. He will be a little bit more hands-on in the business as well. But over the years, we have had samples of paints from paint reps to try, and really moving on through the years, I am no different now, where I've got samples on that side, samples behind me, samples down here. I am trying things to see what things are like, and hopefully it will save you money if I don't think it's very good, or I will say to you, give it a try, see what you think. Everybody's view is going to be different. I'll try and give you my view, and if you want to take it on board, brilliantly. I hope what I'm putting out you're enjoying, and going forward you're going to see some videos on a Monday that are from the trade show at Brewers of Mansfield that was back at the beginning of June, which seems ages ago now, but I've done each little video of seeing a trade stand. I've made it into its own little segment. They're going out on Monday. You will see those all in you will see those all in July. You will also see them into August as well. My videos, and I'll say my videos that I'm either in my studio or on jobs, you will see on a Thursday for the time being, and in between I might just drop some little shorts in there as well. But please watch the videos at the side. If you're not already liked and subscribed, please do that. If you are looking down below, there is an Amazon link to my Amazon Associates store. There are products in there that I think might help you if you're doing painting and decorating. Thank you very much to those that are supporting the channel. It is much appreciated. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. This journey is on the up. I'm hoping that the content is interesting to people. I know I can be long-winded, but I've said it before. If you want to learn something properly, I will go from start to finish and talk you through, whether it be stripping down a spray gun, whether it be telling you how to, I don't know, wallpaper and cut round a socket. I do not do 30-second TikTok, Instagram stuff where it's just, oh, look what I'm doing. I will actually explain it and go through it. Right, the videos are there. You're going to watch those. Support the channel as much as you possibly can. And I will see you on Thursday on the first proper video that goes out. Please like and share, and obviously try and get us up to 20,000 subscribers as much as you can by promoting this channel as much as possible. Thank you.